Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with step-by-step adventure by Emphyrio. So let's go over the rules. We have standard 6x6 rules today. So in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we're placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. Additionally, we have these cages in the grid. Digits in a cage sum to the value in the top left. And this one white dot here means that these two digits are consecutive. And not all the dots are given, so we can have consecutive digits elsewhere, and that's perfectly fine. So just to give a couple examples, to add to 7, we might do 2 and 5. Those add to 7. That would be one way to fill this. There's plenty of ways. For the consecutive dot, we could do 2 and 1, or we could do 2 and 3. We could do 3 and 4, etc. Just they have to be consecutive. One is exactly one bigger than the other. All right, so those are the rules. And I am check the description for a link if you want to try it yourself. Definitely recommend trying it. And I will get started right now. All right, so 11 has to be 5 plus 6. 10 has to be 4 plus 6. 4 is 1 plus 3. 3 is 1 plus 2. Okay. So a white dot has to have one even digit and one odd digit on it. If you think about it, that's fairly obvious because it's two digits that are one apart. Whenever you have two digits that are one apart, if one's evens, the other's odd. If one's odd, the other's even. It's just the way it goes. So one of these has to be odd. So the question becomes, yeah, I was thinking about the 1, 3, and the 5 here, but I do think this could have if this was the odd, this would be a 1, 3, and that would make a 1, 3 pair, and that's what was interesting me. But maybe we should do something with these 7 cages first, because I'm not seeing anything with that. So what can this value be? This can't exceed 4. So this is from 1, 2, 3, 4. And this can't be 1 or 2. That kind of meshes with the 5, 6 here. So we're either 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4, or 4 plus 3. It's not all that exciting. This one here could be 1, 2, 3, or 5. So again, we're 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4, but we can't be 5 plus 1 because this is a 1, 3 pair. So that's a little bit more constrained. This is interesting. That this actually, okay. So what I'm seeing here is this 1, 2 pair here. I should have seen this earlier. This 1, 2 pair here looks up into this box. So where do 1 and 2 go in this box? They can only go here. So this is actually a 1, 2 pair. And 1 and 2 are going to go with 5 and 6. And actually, if you look at the 5, 6 pair that looks down here, this is also going to be 5 or 6. So this is 3 or 4. If this was 4, this couldn't be 3 because of the 3, 4 pair. And it couldn't be 5 because of the 5, 6 pair. So this cannot be 4. This must be 3 and 4 like that. 3 goes with 2 or 4, but it can't go with the 4, so that goes with 2. This is 1 and 3. This now can't be 4 and 3. This is 3, 4. So we actually have vertical roping, which isn't always true, but in this case we do have it. This is 5, 6. This is fillable. This is a 2. This is 4, 5, 6. This can't be 4 or 6, so this is the 5. This is 6. 5 and 6. This is 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. This is 2 and 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. That's a 5. All right. What do I need here? This 5, 6, this 3, 4. This... All right, well, let's just do more penciling then. So I need a 1 and a 3. Here I need a 2, 3, and 5. That's not 5. Let's just fill all of these. I need 2, 4, 5, and 6. So that's not 2, that's not 6, that's not 5. What am I missing? Something obvious, obviously. The 1, 3 pair means that's a 2, and that's a 5. 4 and 6, that did it. That's all it was. Alrighty. And now we just follow our red marks and finish our puzzle. All right, 345, not too bad. Felt like I got a little stuck, but honestly, this was one of the faster puzzles. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this puzzle. Hope it wasn't too hard for you either. And let me know how you did in the comments. And of course, if you enjoyed this content, then why not leave a like and subscribe?